everybody, this is RL57 Toys Review. Today I have Hot Wheels 67 Austin minivan. Hot Wheels City Wheels number 10/10. I bought this at a diecast vending machine. It sells Hot Wheels, Majorate, and a few of Matchbox. Okay, today we're gonna open this red 67 Austin minivan. Take a look at the back. 67 Austin minivan. Today we're gonna open this up. So this is the Austin minivan. Nice red long Austin minivan. This is Campbell's Garage FC. Okay, and I'm going to show you the new always morrismini from Urban Outlaw. This is the morrismini and the Austin minivan. It's red and like dark blue. For the morrismini, it says Urban Outlaw. Nice. Thanks for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave a like on this video. Bye bye.